Home Remedies presents
1 tablespoon a day to have the testosterone levels of a 20-year-old. Are you a man over 30 struggling with low energy, decreased libido, and loss of muscle mass? You may be suffering from low testosterone. Testosterone is the key male hormone responsible for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, sperm production, and more. But after age 30, a man's testosterone levels naturally begin to decline by about 1% per year. The good news is, you can boost your body's natural testosterone production through simple diet and lifestyle changes, starting with this potent, homemade testosterone-boosting elixir. Keep watching to learn the recipe and reap the benefits of higher T levels. Low testosterone, or low T, is incredibly common in men over 30. In fact, it's estimated that 40% of men over age 45 have clinically low testosterone levels. The symptoms can be subtle at first, but gradually worsen over time. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Decreased libido and erectile dysfunction. Low energy and fatigue. Loss of muscle mass and increased body fat. Depressed mood and brain fog. Thinning hair and skin. Sound familiar? If you're nodding your head, know that you're not alone, and there are natural solutions to help turn back the clock on your testosterone levels. Ingredients and recipe. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc and magnesium, essential for testosterone production. 4 to 5 Brazil nuts, high in selenium, which protects testes and sperm from oxidative stress. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, known for boosting libido and enhancing mood. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, improves circulation and can increase sperm count and motility. 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, enhances testosterone levels, muscle mass, and sexual function. 1 teaspoon gelatinized maca powder, balances stress response and improves sexual desire. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, high in magnesium and flavonols, which improve blood flow and testosterone production. Directions: 1. Place the pumpkin seeds in a food processor or blender and pulse until a fine, crumbly texture is achieved. 2. Add Brazil nuts to the processor and pulse together with the pumpkin seeds. 3. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. 4. Add ground nutmeg and cinnamon to the bowl and mix well. 5. Add fenugreek powder and gelatinized maca powder, and combine thoroughly. 6. Finally, add the raw cacao powder and mix until all ingredients are well combined. Usage: store the mixture in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 month. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or other foods daily. Pairing the mixture with plain Greek yogurt provides additional protein and testosterone-boosting benefits. Aim to consume daily for best results. You may double or triple the recipe as needed. Additional tips to boost testosterone. To maximize your body's natural testosterone production, here are some additional diet and lifestyle tips. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation can drastically lower testosterone levels. Exercise regularly. Lift weights and do high-intensity interval training to boost testosterone and build lean muscle. Avoid chronic cardio, which can lower T levels. Minimize stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can lower testosterone. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Eat healthy fats. Monounsaturated and saturated fats from foods like olive oil, avocados, eggs, and grass-fed meat are building blocks for testosterone. Avoid trans fats and limit polyunsaturated fats. Get enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is a steroid hormone involved in testosterone production. Get 20 to 30 minutes of direct sunlight daily or supplement with 2000 to 1500 IU of vitamin D3 per day. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake can lower testosterone levels and impair sexual function. Stick to 1 to 2 drinks per day maximum. Conclusion. Low testosterone is incredibly common in men over 30, but it doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right nutrition, lifestyle habits, and natural testosterone boosters like this potent elixir, you can reclaim your manhood and enjoy more energy, muscle, and virility well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. Give this testosterone tonic a try and notice the difference in your well-being. Enjoy your healthier, more energetic self.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.